Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 13th of August, 2022. This video we will talk about the merger of Ethereum. Ethereum on Proof of Stake Comprehensive Guide to the Merge. On July 15, 2022, Ethereum co-developer Tim Bako suggested September 19th as the tentative date for the merge activation in Ethereum mainnet. As such, Ethereum is putting the final touches on its hotly anticipated upgrade that will put an end to Ether proof-of-work mining. Inside Ethereum merge, why is the second blockchain migrating to proof-of-stake? Ethereum enters closer to the merge upgrade. For example, migration from a proof-of-work consensus to a proof-of-stake one. It is said to make the largest smart contracts network more resource efficient, inclusive and eco-friendly. Why is the merge so important for the Ethereum blockchain and Web3 sphere as a whole? The merge will replace proof-of-work consensus with a proof-of-stake one, by which Ethereum network integrity will be secured by stakers instead of miners. It is a first in crypto history in which a mainstream protocol radically changes its consensus design. Ethereum merge has already been activated in testnets Coven and Sequoia. Goalie activation will be the dress rehearsal before mainnet. Proof-of-stake consumes less energy, reduces a network's carbon footprint and makes it more decentralized. Once Ethereum proof-of-stake is rolled out, migration toward sharding will be the next step. For the first time, Ethereum's specifications for proof-of-stake, also called Ethereum 2.0, but Ethereum developers recommended avoiding using this name in Q4 2020, were unveiled more than 2 years ago. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is the first ever blockchain decentralized network with smart contracts support. It launched in mainnet in July 2015. Ethereum was invented by a number of cryptocurrency developers. Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood are the best known of them. Ethereum was intended to address the main bottlenecks of Bitcoin and other early cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP and all first-gen cryptocurrencies were only suitable for value transfer. Ethereum established itself as a general-purpose decentralized computer. Its smart contracts software programs on Solidity are used in thousands of decentralized applications, decentralized finance DeFi protocols, marketplaces for non-fungible tokens NFTs, blockchain-based games and so on. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency is dubbed Ether, or ETH. Ether is the largest altcoin. Only Bitcoin surpasses it by market capitalization. What is proof-of-stake? Proof-of-stake is a class of blockchain consensus algorithms in which validators vote on the next block before adding it to the chain. Proof-of-stake is considered an improvement over the proof-of-work algorithm thanks to its resource efficiency, eco-friendliness, and better decentralization parameters. To join staking, there is no need to purchase expensive mining equipment. There are chain-based and BFT-based proof-of-stake systems. Proof-of-stake systems rely on stakers in their operations. Every validator should stake freeze her tokens to guarantee her commitment to the integrity of the protocol. By Q3 2022, Ethereum's rival, Cardano ADA, is the largest proof-of-stake system. As such, to join Ethereum's proof-of-stake, a crypto enthusiast should stake at least 32 Ethers or almost $50,000 by press time 2 months before the mainnet release of Ethereum's proof-of-stake. Over 13 million Ethers are staked in its deposit contract, or over $20.6 billion. Ethereum activates the merge, most crucial update for crypto in 2022. Technically, Ethereum ETH started its journey to proof-of-stake in December 2020 with the launch of deposit contracts and the activation of the so-called beacon chain, a basic proof-of-stake POS coordination mechanism. In September 2022, its entire validation structure will migrate to proof-of-stake POS. The merge, the basics at its core. The merge is the procedure joining the existing Ethereum ETH transactions execution layer. The Ethereum ETH mainnet we have known and loved since 2015 with Beacon Chain as its new consensus layer. Currently, the ecosystem of proof-of-work pool miners is a consensus layer. Beacon Chain solves this issue. Thus, Beacon Chain with deposit contract, the storage of all ethers allocated for staking will be injected into the Ethereum ETH mainnet. Beacon Chain will be responsible for processing all network data, including account balances, transactions, and so on. Beacon Chain becomes the engine of block production. Proof-of-stake validators will be responsible for processing the validity of all transactions and proposing blocks. At the same time, the new system will keep the entire transactional history of the old Ethereum, the merge, the testnets to ensure a smooth transition to proof-of-stake consensus. Ethereum core developers activated the merge in a number of closed and public testnets. Since December 2021, Ethereum enthusiasts have emulated the merge specifications in Kintsugi and Kilan purpose-made testnets. Both Kilan and Kintsugi were specially launched to stress test Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake in Q1 2022. They allowed developers to detect synchronization issues and put some final touches on the post-merge codebase. Also, developers tried a brand new shadow fork mechanism as in testing the merge in Q2 to Q3 2022. Ethereum activated the merge in public testnets Ropsten and Sequoia. Goerli testnet will be merged in August 2022. The merge, the timeline here is the timeline of the most crucial milestones on Ethereum's road to the merge. June 30, 2015, Ethereum launched a mainnet on a proof-of-work consensus. Q2 2019, Ethereum ETH developers propose Casper as a high-level implementation of how the blockchain can migrate to proof-of-stake. Early March 2020, Vitalik Buterin, with co-authors, releases Casper, a more advanced implementation of Beacon Chain. November 20, 2020, Ethereum 2.0 deposit contract launched with 32 ETH minimum stake. Ethereum started injecting staking liquidity. December 1, 2020, Beacon Chain launched as parallel network to Ethereum's ETH mainnet. October 28, 2021, Beacon Chain underwent all-time upgrade. ETH price spiked to all-time high. Q1 2022, Ethereum ETH implemented the merge in Kintsugi and Kilan testnets. Shadow forks quietly activated. June-July 2022, Ethereum ETH merge activated in public testnets Ropsten and Sequoia. July 15, 2022, the merge activation in mainnet tentatively scheduled for mid-September by coordinator Tim Baker. The merge, the next steps once the merge upgrade is live in mainnet and Ethereum is running on proof-of-stake. The Shanghai update will be its first hard fork in the new consensus. Shanghai will change some aspects of UX, UI, upgrade LNAM and reduce gas costs for end users. Also, native execution of BLS operations by Ethereum virtual machine will be added. Typically, every major upgrade is a powerful short-term catalyst for altcoins prices. Moreover, with Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake, ETH holders will be incentivized to lock their riches for staking. This, in turn, will significantly reduce selling pressure. Bottom line, Ethereum, the largest smart contracts network, will replace proof-of-work consensus with a proof-of-stake one on September 19, 2022. With the merge mainnet activation, this update is the result of 3 years of efforts by Ethereum developers and one of the most crucial technical changes in crypto's entire history. Ethereum mining will be replaced by staking as the way to add blocks to the mainnet. Migration to proof-of-stake makes Ethereum more resilient to centralization efforts, eco-friendly and resource efficient. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.